Okay, the next step is to measure thrust clearances on the output shaft. We have to get a feeler gauge and measure the distances that go between each of the components. These measures are here, so let's take out the feeler gauge and start this. Okay. Oops. Went out of the pocket. So, what's a feeler gauge? It's this tool here. It's quite cheap. I paid like €5 for this one. So it contains a set of blades that you can use to measure the distances between two surfaces. You have to choose the appropriate one. So they are thinner and more thick. You have to choose the appropriate measure to measure the distance you want to measure the distance. Okay. So the first one is first gear. The larger ones are the lowest gears. So this one is the first gear is this one. The second one is this one, the second gear. Third gear is this, and the reverse is this, and this one is the fifth, the smallest one. So this would be fourth, I think. It's not mentioned in the illustration, but let's measure what we have to measure according to the instructions. So, thrust clearance. The first gear limit is half a millimeter. You should, after you're done with your feeler gauge, you should do the following. Take all the blades out. And clean them like so.